Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. I your girl, Debbie from Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more to the Jamaican cooking journey. And if you're new right over here, special welcome to you. Thank you so much. Now today, we are gonna, we're still upon Mother's Day, nicely, you know. But I think this is gonna be like the last, like more for like dinner or brunch. We are gonna move to some breakfast after this video and some desserts. Huh? So this would be like maybe the last on the dinner menu or what. I'm just showing you lots of things where you can put them with I and mama day, you know, special day that lele day, you know. Now right here I have some T-bone steaks. They have been washed and I'm trying to pat them almost dry, not fully dry. T-bone steaks, see there, it runs like this. It's a T down. So you want to leave your steak with right here on, but I have one here. There is a little thin layer. What I want to show you something. I don't want you taking off these. I've taken off these already, but what I want you to do is to I left one to show you. Take off this part. Look at it. You're gonna take off with a knife, the dull. Yeah, the dull knife. Like this, you'll take off this. So you want to leave, okay, see another piece here. You want to leave like this part here on to hold the slice together. You don't want whilst it's cooking and it starts getting soft, it falls apart. Because hello, when you're through cooking, you want to lift each steak whole, yet cooked and in a good order to serve. So you have to, when you cook, it might just reduce a bit smaller, because you know whilst cooking it, the size of it decreases or diminishes or it shrinks. So you want, when it done, the thing pop down all over the place. Now it is specifically going to be a garlic T-bone steak or garlicky T-bone steak. So if you've got your mallet and stuff, you can give it a pounding. I don't have any mallet, so what I'll do, I'm gonna put like a few sticks on each side. A few slashes to make the juice go through. You don't go right through though, Look at what I'm doing. Camera girl, are you here? Use the point of a sharp knife and run a few slashes right through. But if you got your meat mallet, you can use it to pound it to help it to cook quick. But if I look on them, so they may not take no time, Look at it. This is how you choose your beef. Pale pink, not red, dark red. That's chewy. So old mother cow them there. This is a young cow. You can see from the color of the meat, and as I always say to you, pale pink. That's how you get nice juicy meat every time. So right here, I said to you, garlic T-bone steak. That's what we are going to prepare today. So I have about 9 pegs of garlic here. 9 pegs of garlic, and I'm going, and you know my thing already. We are going to slash off them 9 pegs of garlic here and come back. Now we are back. So you want greater garlic and have garlic on this looking like that. And if you're a garlic person like myself and you want to use more, you can use some more. So we are going to get them garlic here. Look how you're going to do it. You're going to treat it in an individual manner. And use a wide container. I forgot, no, if you have your pun pan and you want to use the pun pan, but I don't think you have pun pan. If you got pudding pan in Fari, please comment for me, because I know say you no ramping, just said. Sassy Sophia Les, Dana, Dessert Bites, all of you. If you don't have pun pan and Fari, please to comment. I want you to rub in your garlic. All of them look a place here. We are going to make this steak taste of some garlic. You just work on the garlic first. Like this. Make sure individual treatment. Don't matter the length of this video. Don't matter the length of this video. Now we gotta put a little salt Of course, you know that. We're not going to put, might not put all of this. Because you know me and the salt business, you know. So I think I'm going alt right there. We've got here some dried oregano. See there, the people are saying that Debbie, me not seeing this something. Remember, you know, I am not advertising. Nobody not me not do no promotion for nobody, so I can't show the people them things, so I not get no pay fee. So dried oregano, your brand of choice. This is it, dried oregano. I remember I said to you in a prior video, dried herbs are always best for beef or steak. Beef, that is it. This is some cumin powder. And from the powder, you know it dry. Don't go too much on the cumin. It is too strong. This is some pimento powder. We could have a little more, but guess what? I didn't realize it was so little. I should pound a little more. I do my own, you know. I just pound my own pimento seeds. Okay? And this here is some red pepper, dried red pepper flakes. So I'm gonna link for you in the description. We can use all of this, all that we have used. So you see what we use? Garlic, the base garlic. And we are going to leave it in the description. So, as I say, individually, you're going to treat it individually. You know, each person must get them own treatment. Now, bother with them. Some get and some not get. So you rub in your steaks. Don't be afraid to rub, baby. These here are the main, they are the original utensils used in seasoning. But you know, I don't know, people don't want to use them. Clean, pure hands. When you do yours like this, you'll get the taste of what I'm talking about. Okay? So what we're going to do at this point, we're going to continue treating them individually with this little rub here, this little, you have to call it, this is like a dry rub outside of the garlic. Just the garlic alone is not the dry rub. So we're going to finish, rub them off, and we're going to leave them for 1.5 to 2 hours. When we return, you'll see what is going to happen. Okay, now family, we have gone ahead and we have heated some oil. And we have kind of like fried off a few, 3 pegs of garlic to be exact. And they are staying in there. They are not going to be leaving. So, right over here, look at what we have. Now that they have been seasoned, they have all them take root. And this is what them look like from back to front. Medium heat, very gently. You want to get something so can hold everybody, depending on the amount you're using. I think I have either 5 or 6 slices here. So, we're going to cook this thing right through on medium. You know, we don't want it to burn up, so we will set it decently. I think it's 6 pieces. So we want to try it to let it hold. It have to hold. So you want to use something like a skillet where you can get some up to the side and all of that. Right there. We're going to make it hold, man. Don't worry your head. We not ask them to hold. We are telling them for them to hold in there. And then this is the last one. So you want to get something like this. Now, let me get my hand ready. Right there. We are on the medium. Okay, medium heat. Everybody must be down flat. Inside, I have to be careful because this thing burns really hot. This cast iron. It's no place to burn. So we have them like that. And we have a garlic. So what I want you to do now, are you in camera girl? I want you to find your garlic then. Don't make them stay down in the bottom there. Oh. And as you go along, you get them mashed. They're fried, so they become soft. So as you go along, you mash. Because we not take them out. Because it's garlic T-bone steaks. So you're going to leave them like that. Now, they're on the medium heat. Yeah, go cover them. You need to cover them on the medium heat. Turning from side to side. You know the drill. Turning from side to side. As soon as each side takes a little color, you don't let it burn. You flip it over. Right over here. Any way you want to have it. pickle for your boil. You gotta have your boiling water. You're not quite ready, so you can put on your kettle or your stove top, whatever. But in another 7 minutes on the medium, you're supposed to ready to flip. When we are ready to flip, we will return to show you how you must look before you flip. Remember to, as you go along, to mash out those garlics that were in there, because you want the whole garlic flavor to take charge of the skillet here with them T-bone steaks in it. Soon come back. Okay, now family. You see the juiciness will start to take place. Look at what is happening. You see the gel. Camera girl, you're shooting them up. You see the jelliness of what is happening? Alright. You want to turn your steaks now. Yeah, we're ready to turn. You know, wait for them to burn up. You understand? Because we have some juicy T-bone steak, you know. So look here. Yeah. I'm not editing out anything. Those who want to click at some points, who don't want to see certain things, you can click off and come back. But for those who definitely want to see, you gotta stay if you're so interested. Don't do what I do. Try to turn it in a different way with a fork. Let me show you. Don't do what me do, you know, because I don't know, say, me an old timer. You know? So, do this. Now, camera girl, I want you to shoot them up. You see what is happening inside here? These parts started browning. Them never have nothing to eat them in a browning. Then just make them own juice. And they were browning. Now, kettle has been boiled. To the side, you want to throw a little hot water. This little hot water now is going to go in there. Take the browning from the bottom of those that were browning and like catching. And it is going to start to, look at what I'm saying. It is going to start to come up with this brown liquid here and start coloring the other part that we flipped over and on top here too. But look here, we're not through. We're going to layer these nice, and it should be dry time, but I don't have dry. But if you have, use dry. We're going to layer these over here because look here, we're gonna go now and we're going to leave it cover down on the medium to let all of these juices just gel together on the medium. When we return, turning from side to side, we might not be finished. I might come back to you to show you where we are. But when we return, you'll see. Okay, now family, camera girl, get right in and then we're ready to flip. For this, that was the first flip. Now we're going to flip back on the original side. You see what I'm going for the skeleton them. You hear the water drying out and all of that. Alright? Look at what is happening brown on the other side. You are ready to flip again from to the next side. Okay? So I'm going to come back to make you know it's flipping time. And if you notice, they are being, what do you call the word? What's the word we're looking for now? They are shrinking. That means cooking. The cooking process is going on. Look at what is happening. So you're going to flip. You don't matter the skeleton them, because them have to in there. Because they are going to cook along with everybody. But look at what is happening. Alright. Now that you flip, you're going to take a little again. Not on the meat, remember I told you. No more than that at a time. I'm sorry. Okay? So you notice the little gravy inside here, it get brown. You don't want any browning. You don't want no soy sauce. Because it will do its own thing inside here. Eh? Look at me, y'all. When we return, this steak must be finished. And this is the method that you're going to use from side to side until your steak is to your perfection. If a medium rare you want, when you reach a medium, you stop. I don't want medium. I want perfectly cooked steak. When we return. Okay, now family, different attire. Me just a sweat around my neck. So that's how the thing said. It's really hot. Now look at this. Look at my family. Did I tell a lie or I fool me food? I said when we return, the steak will be ready. They're not finished. But what I want to say, if it's lie me tell, please leave it in the comments. Or if it's member, me never remember. Let me see how you're going to treat me. Now look at what is happening right here. These, it is the scallions and the, what that's something they name tan. So, you know, we have to take them out because them don't work, you know. All over time, them work too. Now, this is how the steak looks. You notice what is happening? It's pulling away from the bone. You see it? What I put the camera upon the camera, girl. One lady go on Instagram, but she said there be a chat too much over the pot. Let me lock the pot. Hello, please. But I have to open the pot. If you're on a Jamaican cooking journey and you're keen on what is happening, if you don't eat pork, then you will not, or you don't cook pork, you will not want to get in on this. I want you to look at these steaks, and if you have done the pork steaks, or if you have not done it, go back, put the camera upon me, to the pork steaks. Check out that video if you have not yet seen it, or if you did, check it out again. Look at this, the beef steaks, and look at the pork steak, and I want you to tell me what's the difference between the pork and the beef steak. Let me throw out the question again. If you're a pork person, if you're not a pork person, then you're not into this. If you're a pork person, if you had done the pork steaks, or if you had watched the pork steak video and you're watching this, I want you to tell me the difference between the pork and the beef steak. No, right over here, camera girl. Now we want, it's low, it's on the low. So we have to go make some sort of like gravy juice thing. So we have some red wine vinegar. If you have red wine and you have red wine vinegar, put some red wine. I'm Mother's Day, you know, and put some of the red wine and some of the red wine vinegar too. You understand? But I'll tell you the measurement in the description. About look like about a tablespoon and a little bit. Come in and measure something, you know. Put a little honey in there. Hello? Put the camera for me, please. If you do not want the honey, or you don't have no honey, put a little brown sugar. Because the vinegar is acidic, and we want a little something to balance up the acidity and the vinegar. Put little sugar in that. Now get diabetes. And also diabetes come. And you know we have the local diabetes start around for the diabetes strain. Put some ketchup. If you don't want to put ketchup, get yourself in. Because some pumpkin ketchup business around in Jamaica, you know. I saw it about a year and a half in the supermarket. Never tried it. Get yourself in on some cooked pumpkin, puree it, or some cooked carrot. Puree it and get that jelliness and use it to make your gravy. But me have ketchup. If you have ketchup and you want ketchup, squeeze out some ketchup, mama. And you're gonna mix this. Remember, you have the little honey and you have the little ray, and you're gonna put in like about this and your hot water. So guess what happened over here? So we are gonna put up right back up, and we are make this thing here. Because look here, we're going to leave it. You don't have to taste this, you know, because from you saw me do, you know this tastes nice. Remember, I would like you to be here to smell this red wine vinegar. You hear? You hear? You're going to base. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. You look at this. Hello, please. How they do the color of the red wine vinegar with a little ketchup. Remember, I told you what you can do if you don't want to use no ketchup. I don't know what you use. All who use things in case of ketchup, you know what you do. But we are juicy up. That's something. That's where we are. That's where we are, baby. Right down back. This time, put the camera upon me. Not medium, but low. And we're going to leave it there for, right here as it is, for about 4 minutes. You're going to flip. And if when you flip, you see it look like it dry out, you just to the side or inside, put a little more hot water. And you leave it there for another 4 minutes. When we return, yo, steak at its peak. Okay, now family. Where steaks have been finished, and we'll return it off for about 2 minutes to leave everything to just, you know, to just settle in. So we want to know, we want to serve up maybe about a slice or two. Wow, our steak to make you see. And this looks like it can hold the whole one slice. So we want to serve the slice with the tea. Wow, this is nice. This one is so nice, but we made a mess, you see? Ooh, the tea come off of the bone, family. The tea is coming off the meat, I'm sorry. This is such a mess. Well, alright. Make we serve you up 2 pieces. We'll clean up the plate here and come back. Okay, family, come on know so I'm going to deal with the mess, you know. So we have a gravy inside here, and you serve your gravy to how you want your gravy. You don't have to butcher it because you know steak. And we have right here little onion where we caramelize. We'll put it on top there. So you know, steak and onions goes well. And we got here a little finely chopped green pepper, because bell peppers, whatever the color, whatever, it goes well with steak. Remember, peppered steak, it goes well with these. So let me present to you, from my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to wherever you are, it's garlic T-bone steaks. You saw me, I did it from scratch. Okay, please do enjoy. Now remember, I asked you to make a take out piece of that steak here. You see? Number one piece of that steak here. Keep going cool. This steak can come off of the T-bone. So let it go cool. Remember, I asked you all those. If you're not in pork, fine. But those who watch the pork video and watch this, I want you to tell me the difference of the beef steaks and the pork steaks while cooking it. Leave it in the comment section. Remember to like this video, and remember also to subscribe to the channel if you think you so deserve to subscribe, and when you do, please remember to hit that notification bell. Okay, y'all? Alright, we're going inside now. Remember, you use your dinner fork, your dinner knife. I'm sorry. Come on, girl, can you shoot them up on the steak? Okay. So, you see, say, me not even fear put no pressure upon the something, because guess what? I will want to full up. I can't know me take up the whole of this in my mouth, you know. This is what we're looking for. Juicy, tender, nice. If you, as I said before, if you want medium rare or medium or whatever, you know when to stop. Okay, once more, garlic T-bone steaks. They be from down a yard. Bless, no stress. When you try, please let me know in the comment section below.